Did you know a 14-year-old boy almost got kicked out of the Masters for playing too slowly? This is the story of golf's most unfair penalty. In 2013, Guan Tianlong became the youngest player ever to compete at Augusta National. The Chinese amateur was living every golfer's dream. But on day 2, something terrible happened. Golf officials decided Guan was playing too slowly. They gave him a one-stroke penalty right in the middle of his round. This had never happened before at the Masters. The teenager was already struggling to make the cut, and now he had an extra stroke added to his score. The golf world exploded with anger. Players, fans, and reporters couldn't believe it. Why target a kid playing in his first major championship? Other players were just as slow, but they didn't get penalized. The backlash was massive. Everyone said the officials were picking on Guan because he was young and different. This controversy changed golf forever. The sport completely rewrote its slow play rules because of what happened to one brave teenager at Augusta.